Football View, the beautiful game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Football View. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope you guys saw that game. You saw the performance they put out. You saw how Kotoko has, gone backwards, because Kotoko is not a club that's moving forward. Everything is going backwards. Instead of progressing, Kotoko is regressing. Instead of improving, everything is downgrading as Kotoko. From the players, style of play, fans engagements, people coming to the stadium, it's getting worse. I don't recognize the club anymore. I keep telling people Kotoko is not a big club anymore. In the past, yes, but right now Kotoko is not a big club anymore, because if you see the way they played against Dreams FC today, if you see the way they have been playing throughout the season, you would wonder what happened. They brought in a coach who has won the league, made some changes. The club was heading in the right direction and everything just went backwards, strongly backwards, because I don't recognize this club anymore. What is going on? You see the way Dreams played as a big team. If someone that is clueless is watching that game and he said about Dreams FC, he said about Kotoko, the person would think that Dreams FC are the ones with the red clothes and Kotoko are the ones with the white jersey, because Dreams FC played Kotoko very well. Even when they were leading, they were holding the ball very well. They were not ballooning the ball when they get to attack. They were trying to build to even add to the 1-0 they have scored. They were so composed. They passed the ball very well. That is what experience brings. That is why you play with experienced players. Kotoko is not a team where you say, oh, get me the academy boys, go to Division 1, Division 2, Division 3, get players and we'll make them play. Kotoko is for players that dream. Kotoko is for big players. Kotoko is for players that want to achieve great things in their life. Players that are capable of performing and putting out this performance the fans want. Players that are capable of winning things for the club. But what we are seeing this season is very far from it. That's why I say I don't recognize the club anymore. I don't recognize Kotoko anymore. Things are not going well. You saw on the first half how the game started. Kotoko played very well, and you saw a silly mistake, a very silly mistake from Dalan Ibrahim, the captain. And they got a free kick and they scored the free kick. Then Kotoko had a wonderful opportunity through Peter Amidu. He had the option of rounding the goalkeeper. He had the option of squaring it for the other player to tap in. But he decided to go for a chip and he missed. People are saying it's inexperienced. Some people are saying the goalkeeper did very well to come out to stop the ball. But I think it's just shocking. It's just shocking. Now we saw several chances where the players could have passed the ball. Stephen Mokwala had a great opportunity to square the ball for another player to shoot and score. He decided to go for the curler and it was nowhere close to the post. Players are not working together. Prosperity keeps saying that they are getting to the point where the player will play in an automatic system where they don't need to see where the player is before they pass the ball. They'll play the ball and know that this player is there, this and that. He keeps giving excuses, keep trying to talk about what the players are doing and this and that and that. You can't gamble in situations like this. Everyone expects more from Kotoko. This is because if you go outside Ghana and talk about Kotoko, say, oh, that's a very famous team. How are they doing? You'll be ashamed to talk about how Kotoko are doing, because the standards have fallen. The standards have fallen. Kotoko are not performing the way they should be performing. It's shocking. It's shocking because I don't know what to say. You see the way Dreams FC played against Kotoko at the Bavaria Stadium. Can you tell me that Kotoko will go to Daewoo and put out that same performance Dreams FC put away from home? No. It's because Dreams FC signed experienced player. They went to sign John Entry and he helped them go to the group stages of the CAF Confederation Cup. That is why you need experienced players. That is why you need people that have won something, people that have experienced, mature players in your team. It's not about youth. It's not an academic club. It's not about youth. Sometimes you need experience and the team. Then you bring the youth small. You bring them, integrate them into the first team little by little. You don't just bring them abruptly into the team. It's going to make everything collapse. Because you play, okay, the idea is there. You get the chance to score. But when it's time, the player comes under pressure and he has to score this goal, inexperience comes to play. That's when he starts missing. That's where he starts making the wrong passes. That's where he starts making the wrong tackles. That is where he can't control his emotions. All those are inexperience. If you look at the way Dreams FC played today, they played very well. I don't think there's any positive thing you can get from the Kotoko team today. There's nothing positive you can get from the Kotoko team. Eric Zeze started very well, created a pass for a chance for Peter Amidu. Peter Amidu should have made good use of the opportunity and scored, but he didn't. You saw how he fluffed the opportunity. Stephen Mukwala, he will run, dribble, gets in good spaces. Oh, yeah, scored the goal, fluffed it. Prosper Anate will tell you that these goals, they have been scoring several goals in training, in friendly games. They'll score five overhead kicks, bicycle kick, what have you, and all that. But when they come to the pitch, he said he's what do you call it? Prosper Anate called it something. Is it? I call it crowd something. He said the players are scared of the crowd and, you know, stage fright. Let's put it that way. He used something that is like stage fright. How many fans are in the stadium that you are scared of playing what you played in the training grounds? How many fans are in the stadium? So all these excuses are becoming boring. All these excuses are becoming boring. If you watch my preview, I said very well that Prosper Anate should start using the old players. The players who have experienced the Ghana Premier League. Those are the players that should be started. None of them should be on the bench. Those players have seen. You see, Enoch Morrison came in and he showed a glimpse of quality. He showed that he is experienced and he has the maturity to play. Those are the players that should be started. Any player that has had experience in the Premier League, Ghana Premier League for 2-3 seasons should be starting. They shouldn't be on the bench. You integrate the small players, the junior young players. How can an 18-year-old start again for Kotoko when we have more experienced player on the bench? It doesn't make sense. I would like to know your thoughts, because me, when I think about it, I feel like, oh, it doesn't make sense. What is going on with this great club? What is happening? I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about Kotoko's performance today? Me, I'm shocked. I'm disappointed. I'm ashamed of the performance Kotoko put against Dreams FC today. And the fact is that it's going to continue. This is a home game. If you want to win the league, you want to go find the Ghana Premier League, you have to you have to win all your home games, and maybe away you go for a draw or a win. You must definitely avoid defeat in all your home games if you want to go far in the Ghana Premier League. Ask anybody, they will tell you this. Mediama were unstoppable at home last season. That's why they won the league. So it's not that I'm overreacting, but this is actually true. Kotoko is no longer a big club. They are not a big club. Ask anybody, they will tell you. They are living off the old times, past glories, and they are no longer a big club. The club is not what it used to be. I can tell you that. So tell me what you think about the game today. You can see I'm sweating from ranting. I'm sweating really because I just wanted to come up here and tell you guys and that how I actually feel, because it's shocking. I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. Subscribe if you haven't. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.